Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand why the answer for this question is not 1. Okay. So here what we have is 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Lot of people think that let's do this first. So you get the answer as what? 8 divided by 4 into 2 is 8 again. So that gets you the answer as 1. And then other people who thought was let's do this division first. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, multiplied by 2, the answer is 4. So now please understand, there cannot be two answers for one particular question. Okay. So here why I am saying the answer is not 1, because the fact is that division and multiplication hold equal precedence in mathematics. Please understand, lot of people who are following BODMAS think division is higher than multiplication in precedence, and people who are following PEMDAS will feel that multiplication is higher than division. So if this is the case, then yes, you will end up with these two discrepancies. So please remember that both of them are equal in precedence. So when you have something in equal precedence, then in these kind of sums, what you should do, you should just follow the pattern of going from left to right. So if the whatever operation happens first from your left hand side, so in this case it is division, that has to be done first. That is why this operation is absolutely correct for this question. So the answer for this question is supposed to be 4. Now if the question was changed and it was like 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 8, then in that case the answer is 1. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.